What's up, YouTube? Man, I've been looking up lock cylinders to this 2009 Chevrolet Impala. Give you a little bit about them, about reprogramming keys, but that's with a blank key. I was told that you cannot reprogram a key that has already been programmed, so that was after the fact that I went and got one from the junkyard. Alright, but this is my original key, a lock cylinder, and what it does when you put it in, it locks up, it won't turn, you get nothing. And I tried to program this one and it wouldn't. After about 4 hours of my time, I just said forget it and I gave up. But I'm gonna show you what I did. If you don't have the money to go buy one right off, it's just experimenting. You could take these and they tell you how to rekey them. You can go to GM and get the, rekey kit or whatever. I looked this shit up too. But this is what I did. Until I buy one, I just took the top part off. So you can have focus here. Damn phone. It won't focus good. Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what I do. What's the purpose of this? Alright. If you look at this lock cylinder, look at that very top thing, that little thing right there. When you slide the key out, let me get a, so you can get a better view. When you slide the key out, tumblers move, and when you take the key out, this little pin or whatever the hell this is, it pops up. Well, if your key is worn, or they say the lock cylinder fucked up, when you put it in, see it's gonna drop. See it drop? Take it out, pop up. When you put it in, it dropped. So I couldn't get my original key to stop locking up. So what I did, I just took the damn little thing that drops in the top. I don't know what it's called. I just took it out. So the only fucked up thing about it is you'll be able to start the car with any key but the security light to be on. So when you take and you slide mine out, ain't got shit to drop on the top. See, because I got that motherfucker out. So let me show you how they work now. So I put it back in there, because I just took it out, so my stuff already on. Slide it back in. When it was sticking, I couldn't even turn it. I couldn't turn it at all. When you turn the key off, I had to wiggle it and jiggle it up and down before I did it. But now, every time, I don't have no problem. On, off, no problem. Every time.